Hello and welcome viewers. In today's video we will see the official specifications of Samsung smartphone Samsung Galaxy M01s. So at the beginning I want to say subscribe to my channel to know the updated specification of new mobile phones. So let's see what is in the official specification of the phone. The phone has network mode of GSM, HSPA, LTE, and the phone has memory space is 32GB with 3GB of RAM. The phone is coming to the market with two colors, and the two colors are light blue gray. And the USB has micro USB 2.0 USB on the go. Display has PLS TFT capacitive touch screen, 16 million colors. The display size is 6.2 inches and 80.7% screen to body ratio. The body dimension of the phone is 6.18 into 2.98 into 0.31 inches. In the weight of the phone will be 168 grams. The phone has Android 9.0 Pie operating system and Mediatek MT6762 chipset, which is used in Samsung low-range set. The CPU gets Octa-core 4 into 2.0 GHz and 4 into 1.5 GHz. Fingerprint, rear module, sensor, accelerometer, proximity and battery, lithium ion 4000 mAh non-removable. As an always, this phone has dual SIM, dual standby facility, but the SIM must be nano and comes with a micro SD card dedicated slot. There is a loudspeaker for sound and 3.5mm jack for output. On the back of the set, you get the main camera is dual, 13 megapixel, flash 1.8, 28mm wide, and another camera was 2 megapixel, flash 2.4 depth. Also video type facility maximum 1080 pixel, 30 frame rate per second. And get selfie camera, single 8 megapixel with flash 2.4. So friends, this was the official specification of today's Galaxy M01s model who can buy a good phone from Samsung in low budget without waiting to take it. It will launch in Bangladesh market very soon, and I will definitely come up with unboxing of the set then. Stay healthy, stay well, goodbye.